And how do we use the network setup? The network setup was designed to accommodate diverse learning styles and skill levels. The table of contents gives an overview of the process. Items are linkable to pages containing abbreviated instructions. Abbreviated instruction pages will contain yet another set of links to two more detailed sets of instructions, both in PDF and in video. PDF and video will contain identical instructions. Choose the one that you prefer. To get to KState Online or the network setup, the first thing that you will need to do is open a web browser. In this example, I will open Google Chrome and navigate to http://online.ksu.edu and press enter. Upon doing so, you will arrive at a page that looks somewhat similar to this. Kansas State University is currently in the process of transitioning from the old Axio system to the new Canvas system, so please choose Canvas. Once you get there, go ahead and log in. And you will need to log in with your KState EID. If you do not have one, you will need to obtain one as soon as possible. Once you log in, you should see a series of menus across the top. The first one you're interested in is in Courses. There may be several courses listed here depending upon how many of your professors are choosing to use Canvas to deliver their course content. What you will be looking for is the course called Network Setup. There may be a number designation after Network Setup indicating the version that the Network Setup may be in. We are only interested in just looking for Network Setup, and we will ignore any number designations that may be occurring after the words Network Setup. Once I click on that, you should be taken directly to the table of contents. So here's an example of an overview of all of the instructions that will be contained in the network setup. Some of these table of contents items are linkable. So if we scroll down and click on Task 2, Security Orientation, we are taken to a page that gives an overview on security orientation. We can navigate back to the table of contents and click on the next linkable item, which is 2.1 Potential Security Threats. And you can see here that we have overview instructions covering the text that is covered in the video. We also see a link to PDF version of the same instructions and a video version of the instructions. In some cases, the video may be better than the text in communicating the information. The PDF and video will always contain more detailed instructions than what this page here is displaying. So if you are new to the network setup, it may be preferable for you to either look at the PDF and or the video first. If you have done this before, this web page, which only has text, may be sufficient enough for you. Every set of instructions in the network setup is going to follow this format, where it will be linkable and it will take you to a page with more detailed sets of instructions. And as you dig deeper into that page, you'll find more detailed instructions. So for example, I have clicked on Understanding Your Hardware, and you will see a brief overview of the instructions. And if this is not sufficient enough, you can click on, for example, video version of instructions and watch a video which covers more detailed explanation, for example, of exterior anatomy. And at the top of some of these is the PDF version of the instructions. Sometimes they may be listed with each section. If not, they will always be at the top of the page.